Hey, what's going on, guys? Just so you know, we just recently shot a music video using my friend's Mustang GT. If you haven't seen that video yet, I'll leave a card somewhere up here. Please do go check it out. So let's get started on this. So this is what you'll be needing. This is either the NS or RS 200's mud flap, if you will. So I got it off the service station. So you need that. This part is what hangs from the side. This is what supports that. Don't use the one that comes along with this, because that's not going to fit. If you want it on the right side, that's fine. If you want it on the left side, you need to fabricate your own. So this was actually made from an old handlebar of a bike. You'll definitely need something that's cylindrical in shape and thick. If you have something flat like this, what happens is it breaks. So that's what I faced here. So I got it welded so it keeps up with the structural integrity here as well as here. That's the only two problems I face. When you're trying to get this done, make sure that the entire part is cylindrical. So next up is the number plate. The number plate itself is stock. This case I got it off Amazon. I will provide the link in the description. You can check it up there. So I just used the case, and that is drilled right through in the back. As you see, it comes in from here. So this is another fabricated part that needs to sit inside, that holds the number plate and connects to this connecting rod. This rod goes over here. So this is how it's going to sit. So this is how it looks screwed in here, and this is how the screw sits in here. Mind you, you'll need to get two holes drilled here, so that, like, if you just have one, it's going to move no matter how tight you make it. So make sure you get another drill there and insert another nut and a bolt, so it keeps it in place and doesn't move. I got all of this done at a local welding shop. They finished this whole work in an hour, and they costed me around 400 to 500. So you can get that done pretty cheap. So this is how it sits up here. There'll be another one. I'm just missing that right now because I was painting it last night. So I will add that back, and I will show you how it sits on the bike. Okay guys, so this is how it looks on the bike. As you can see, mounted on the left side, looks really good, gives a very nice look to the bike. And there's plenty of space, no issues whatsoever. This is how the mounted side looks like. It's mounted to where the sari guard is supposed to be. That's where it mounts to. And this is how it looks from this side. An overall view for y'all. Very clean. So thanks for watching, guys. Leave a thumbs up if you found this video helpful to achieve such a look. Also stay tuned for more videos, because a lot of good videos coming up for you. The next one's going to be about the indicator lights, how I integrated them into the tail. So stay tuned for that, and peace out.
Brother, it's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.